Venetian blinds are perfect for precisely controlling the amount of light entering to any room and at the same time adding a bit of a design statement to your window space. Infinitely controllable and effortlessly beautiful, Venetian blinds are perfect for rooms where the light levels would change dramatically throughout the day. They have both an up and down state, as well as an individual angle or pitch to each of the slats. This makes controlling not only the amount, but also the direction of light coming into your room far more precise. Our blinds come in a huge range of materials, colours and styles, and they're all perfectly designed to fit any window in your home. So whether you're looking for a neutral, functional blind or something a little bit more fancy to add a creative design statement to your room, there'll be a blind that's right for you. These blinds are reliable, hard-wearing and easy to clean, making them perfect for your busy home. In fact, we're so proud of our blinds, they come to you with a 3-year guarantee as standard. All of our blinds come supplied with every mounting bracket you'll need and are child-safe by design. They're also tested to meet the strict regulations as outlined in both the British and European safety standards. All you have to supply are the screws and wall plugs suitable for the surface that you're going to be attaching your blind to. When you've selected the style of blind that you would like, don't forget to watch our measuring and fitting videos to help you with ordering and fitting your brand new blind.